our channel. I'm Viona.
And I'm Melita. Today we'll be sharing our honest reviews on the brand Just Herbs.
And we will be sharing you our skincare regime. So my skincare regime is for dry skin.
And mine will be for oily skin.
So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Step 1 is the Silk Splash Rehydrant Face Wash. Silk Splash is a gentle Ayurvedic face wash with a faint aroma to remove the traces of dust and makeup residue. It is sulfate and paraben free and suits for all skin types. Next, I'll be using the Mir Sandalwood Restorative Tonic. This goes for oily as well as combination skin. It's alcohol free, blended with steamed distilled waters of Mir, sandalwood and certified organic. It also has aloe vera juice to remove the last traces of dirt and to cleanse the skin pores. For step 2, I'll be using Lively Clean Honey Exfoliating Face Cleansing Gel. It's lightweight, mildly foaming exfoliator with arowana and jojoba meal to remove dead skin cells with honey to keep the skin hydrated. For step 3, I'll be using the Gotukola Indian Beauty Elixir Facial Serum. The multitasking Elixir Face Serum is blended with Indian herbs. It helps in brightening the dull skin, reduces pigmentation, fine lines and dark circles. The green tea cucumber nourishing under eye gel should be used during the day daily. Massage on the affected areas until completely absorbed. The lightweight under eye gel helps to lighten dark circles and firm up the fragile skin around the eyes, giving them a revitalized look. For step 4, I'll be using the Nosun Jojoba Wheat Germ Moisturizing Sun Protection Gel. It's a lightweight sunscreen that doesn't feel sticky and keeps skin breathing while protecting it against the sun. It also leaves no white cast. It guards against sun damage and moisturizes the skin. For step 5, I'll be showing the Petal Soft Anti-Tan Rose Face Pack. It is an Ayurvedic anti-face pack to remove the suntan and soothe, repair and brighten sun-damaged skin. It is also enriched with Multani Mitti. It also has a calming aroma of the wild Indian rose. For step 6, I'll be using Fair Muleti Kuss Skin Brightening Gel. It's light textured and recharges the skin's radiance and fades away dark patches and spots. It also brightens the skin, boosts facial glow, evens out the skin tone, and reduces dark spots and blemishes. Here I'll be massaging it gently until it is absorbed. For the last step, I'll be using the Kumsukadi Tel Glow Boosting Facial Oil. I apply this facial oil before going to bed so I can get the results the next day and my skin feels tighter and radiant. It also brightens dull skin, boosts facial oil, reduces pigmentation, dark spots and blemishes.
Step 1 in my skin regime includes the Silk Splash Rehydrant Face Wash. This face wash is a gentle Ayurvedic face wash with a faint herby aroma to remove the last traces of dust and makeup residue. It also moisturizes the skin after washing it off. After face wash, I'll be using Pomegranate Mandarin Pore Refining Tonic, which is especially for enlarged pores. It's an alcohol-free facial toner, ideally for the ones with visible pores, since I have pores around my nose. It is traditionally used in Ayurveda for a variety of skin benefits and pomegranate extract. It helps to loosen and minimize the appearance of skin pores. My step 2 includes the Apricot Sparkle Skin Radiance Scrub. It's a creamy scrub enriched with pure espressed oil of apricot kernels that buff the skin gently and slow away dry, dead, and flaky skin. Since I have blackheads around my nose, I'll be scrubbing it off gently around my nose. In the step 3, I'll be using Gotukala Indian Rejuvenating Beauty Elixir Facial Serum. The Multitasking Elixir Face Serum is a synergistic blend of treasured Indian herbs and acts as an excellent botanical replacement for a traditional chemically derived vitamin C serum. The next step, I'll be using Herbal Nourishing Massage Cream. This Herbal Nourishing Face Cream is specially formulated for extra dry skin that lacks glow and suppleness. This herbal face cream contains ashwagandha, sandalwood, and other precious Ayurvedic herbs to regenerate and nourish dull, dry, and lifeless skin. So here I'll be gently massaging this cream onto my face until it's absorbed. For step 4, I'll be using Sunil Jojoba Grapeseed Moisturizing Sun Protection Lotion. This sunscreen is for normal and dry skin with 2-in-1 broad spectrum physical sun protection. It moisturizes my skin and also protects it against both UVA and UVB rays. Step 5 includes Sunface Skin Tightening Sandal Glow Pack. It detoxifies and purifies the skin with action of the mineral clays in this mud pack and visibly tightens the skin with natural glow. The last step of my skin regime includes Almond Green Tea Nourishing Under Eye Cream. It's a firming and moisturizing under eye cream to lighten dark circles and plump up the delicate skin around the eyes. The last product is Kimsukadi Tel, which is glow boosting facial oil. This facial oil has also received the Best Facial Oil Award. Since it's brighter, tighter and radiant, regular usage of this award-winning Ayurvedic facial oil also helps fade pigmentation, dark spots and blemishes. This is all about our skincare regime with just herbs. I hope you guys like this video.
Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Until then, bye-bye.